Are highly intelligent Tesla bots really going to steal your job? Well, stick around to find out. Welcome back to Genesis. Today we're going to explain everything about the Tesla bot and what it means for humans. Before we begin, make sure to click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell if you don't want to miss out on future videos. Now, let's get on with the video. To say that Elon Musk is a mad scientist won't be too far from the truth. The man indeed is a visionary and a pioneer of technologies. The marvels we have witnessed at Tesla and SpaceX are a clear testament to the sheer genius of this man. However, Musk isn't new to crazy over-the-top products either. The flamethrower made by his boring company makes it obvious that this innovator is driven by a thirst for crazy technologies. However, all his previous innovations seemed tame in comparison to the humanoid robot that he announced in August of 2021. The 173-centimeter tall robot is called Optimus, and it has an interesting appearance, to say the least. There have been some really smart robots in the past, like RoboDog from Boston Dynamics. But Optimus, or Tesla bot, is fascinating because of two things. First, it has the dimensions of a real human being. The shape and size are pretty close to average humans. It weighs 57 kilograms, and it can lift up to 20 kilograms. It can even walk at a speed of 5 miles per hour. The most impressive detail about the Tesla bot, however, will be the AI tech that this robot is going to have. You see, Tesla is not just a car company. Tesla is an AI company that is arguably the smartest cars in the world. If you see how easily a Tesla car can navigate autonomously, you'll understand how far ahead the company really is. And Elon Musk made it quite clear during the announcement that Optimus will use the same AI that's used in Tesla vehicles. This effectively gives the Tesla bot a great sense of its surroundings and the ability to navigate streets. Musk even joked about how the robot can bring groceries. He claimed the Tesla bot will be fully developed in 2022, and as the deadline comes closer, people are starting to freak out about this seemingly fun machine. The fear. Well, if you've watched any futuristic films like The Terminator or I, Robot, you can understand why the word AI makes people nervous. Many well-renowned scientists think that AI and machines will dominate humans in the near future. However, the thing that worries people the most about the Tesla bot is that Musk is developing it to replace humans. In the early December of 2021, Musk gave an interview to the Wall Street Journal. In this interview, Musk plainly stated that the Tesla bot is meant to replace humans. In fact, his precise words were, "It has the potential to be a general substitute for human labor over time." These words are scary, especially if seen out of context. In the same interview, Musk mentioned the great labor shortages that the developed nations, including the US, have been facing post-COVID-19. This is a real problem, especially for megacorporations. As Musk himself stated, the fundamental constraint is labor. There are not enough people. I can't emphasize this enough. There are not enough people. Another important thing to consider is the fact that many Westerners don't want to perform certain work operations. As a result, these jobs get transferred to developing nations like China, for example. So there are incentives for big companies to hire AI machines to achieve their production goals. The ground reality. While it is a general consensus that machines will replace humans at some point, it isn't going to happen overnight, and clearly not in the way that most of us think it will. Even in the case of Tesla, when Model 3 production was starting, Musk claimed the machines will ensure a production rate of 20,000 units per month. However, this was a drastic overestimation, and Tesla only managed to produce 2,500 cars in 3 months. The machines just weren't up to the mark, and Musk had to hire human workers to kickstart production. The human factor worked, and Tesla started manufacturing 20,000 per month. Musk even tweeted about his miscalculation and said, quote, "Excessive automation at Tesla was a mistake. To be precise, my mistake. Humans are underrated." End quote. So yeah, it isn't easy for machines to replace human flexibility and expertise. So what is the future of robots? Well, it's a little complicated actually. You see, robots will replace certain jobs. They will replace warehouse workers, delivery men, lumberjacks, and many other jobs that require heavy lifting and not much thinking. And that isn't such a bad thing. First of all, it will reduce workplace injuries, which are becoming more and more prevalent. Another key aspect that most people are forgetting is that this mechanical revolution will create more jobs for humans. Jobs that will be less labor-intensive and more technological. The Tesla production debacle made it clear that someone will have to keep an eye on the machines and also make sure they keep working. And it's also pretty clear that machines, no matter how smart, can't compete with human creativity on a large scale. So any job that requires customization can't be left in the hands of a robot. So there is a bright side to the Tesla bot becoming a reality. It will lead to a much safer work environment and fewer labor costs. However, there's also a dark side, and unfortunately, you can already observe this dark side in many businesses. Even in today's world, AI algorithms and software are asking workers in warehouses, call centers, and even software houses to work with an efficiency that's just not possible for human beings. A human being can only work so much, and these AI supervisors don't allow any respite. So this is the other side of the coin that's fueled by the greed and inhumanity of many big corporations. So in reality, we don't have to fear the robots, but the humans who are controlling these machines. What are your thoughts on this topic? Share your opinion with us in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button if you liked this video. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you never miss out on our future content. That's it for today. We'll see you in the next one.